After Bitcoin smashes through 74K resistance, Jerome Powell comes out of nowhere and sends Bitcoin back down to 70K. Is this the end of the rally, or do the bulls still have some hope? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 3:30 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 71,300. Before we go over the top-down analysis, I want to go over this winning trade I gave you guys yesterday on the 1 hour chart. Told you guys this looked like a head and shoulder pattern with the measured move taking us to about 70,830, and as you guys can see, we hit the exact measure move. We basically went to 70,857. So congratulations on whoever took this trade. This is a big win for the FlexCandle community. And we're gonna start off here with the weekly chart. Yesterday we saw that we had a nice green candle happening, and that's it. In a matter of one day, all of a sudden now we have a bearish hammer. We're starting to wick down. The stochastics still look to go up, but we still have 4 days and 5 hours before this candle closes. The 21 moving average is currently at 84,018. Let's give this a couple of days and see what happens. Take a look at the 4-day chart. Stochastics are starting to get above the dotted line. This RSI looks like it's rolling over, and this is what I wanted to see. The 21 moving average now interacting with price range. What's going to happen here? Are we going to roll over, or are we going to be able to get above this 21 moving average? Right now we have a red candle. This closes in 3 days and 5 hours. If we close like this could be tweezer tops, and this could signal more downside. We take a look at the 2-day chart. We see that the stochastics are toppy. The RSI is rolling over. We never got above the 50, and we're getting a red candle 1 day and 5 hours before this candle closes. We did get above the 21 moving average at 68,811. Now we're going to possibly go back down to retest it, and this is going to define everything. Will we be able to stay above the 21 moving average, or are we going to roll over and get back inside of this bear flag that I have that pretty much gives us a measure move to about 43K. Now on the daily chart, you can see here the RSI is rolling over. We're triple topping now on the stochastics RSI. I mean, we had a good run here on the stochastics. They gave us a chance. We got above the 21, above the 50, but look, we got a red candle right after this green one, tweezer tops. Now we're getting another red candle. This candle closes in 4 hours and a half. We're trying to stay above this 50 moving average at 70,540. If we could do that, we have a chance. If not, then we might end up losing the 50 and the 21, and like I said, we get back into that bear flag. The fact that the stochastics are toppy, the RSI is starting to roll over, it kind of shows me that we might be coming back down. Maybe at least to test these wicks here at 62K, 65K. Hopefully not. Maybe we could continue going up. The 22-hour chart is not looking good. We're starting to roll over. We never got the chance to get above or to even get close to the 200 moving average. On the 8-hour chart, you're seeing that we're rolling over on the stochastics here, and we got rejected right off that 200 moving average. Now we're losing the 21 moving average. This candle also closes in 4 hours and a half. If we close below the 21 moving average, this could signal more downside. We take a look at the 4-hour chart. Here, the stochastics are starting to reset. Of course, we could drag here for a while. Look how we dragged here in the stochastics RSI for a little bit. Look how we double bottomed here. We lost a 21. We lost a 50. We're trying to stay above the 80 moving average at 70,580. The most important thing, guys, is not to lose this 200 moving average. You guys already know we lose this 200 moving average at 68,814. Anytime we lose the 200, look how long we stay underneath it, and we just barely got above the 200 moving average. So for us to lose it again is not going to be a good sign. That would signify that possibly that 2-day bear flag is going to play out. We also have to be careful. Could this be a left shoulder? This is a head. Maybe we got another little spike up, make a complex right shoulder, and then that makes us roll over. We take a look at the 1-hour chart. Stochastics look primed to continue going up. The RSI kind of looks like it wants to continue going up, but we are below the 21. We are below the 200 moving average, and this kind of looks like it could start bear flagging here, especially if we stay below this 200 moving average, and this is not going to be good for us. The only thing that's kind of saving us at the moment is that we're far away from the 21 moving average. That's currently at 73,051. Maybe we could make a run towards that, but if we get rejected, or if we just continue going sideways and wait for the 21 moving average to catch up to price, this bear flag will continue to fill out, and this could bring us down to $68,061. So this could be the next possible move if we cannot get above this 200 moving average with strength, and I actually would like to get above this 21 moving average as well. We take a look at the 15-minute chart. We could see here left shoulder head. Again, we can't get above this 21 moving average. We cannot get above this head here at around 72K, let's say. This could create a right shoulder. We could roll over. The RSI downside's already rolling over. We kind of see some type of curvature starting to happen. Maybe this could be the start of a double bottom, and if this double bottom plays out, this could bring us back up to about this 50 moving average at 72,530. But if we can't continue going back up, and now we lost 74k, that becomes the resistance again after we already broke through it and we went basically to 76k. For 74k to be another resistance is going to be crazy. So right now, more downside looks like it's favorable. We would have to get back above 74k honestly in order to stay bullish. Anything under 74k is just a little relief rally, possibly before heading further down. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.